Thousands of years ago, humans fasted not by choice, but because food was scarce. Today, we're voluntarily starving ourselves in the name of health. Ancient warriors, monks, and healers swore by fasting for clarity and strength. But modern science just dropped a bombshell. A 2024 study linked one popular fasting method to a 91% higher risk of dying from heart disease. So why are millions still doing it? Is intermittent fasting an evolutionary cheat code or a dangerous game with our biology? From Hippocrates' starve a fever mantra to Silicon Valley's biohacking craze, fasting isn't new. But the rules have changed. This isn't just about skipping breakfast. It's about a $15 billion industry selling starvation as salvation. Let's dig into what 2,000 years of history, and the latest research, say about fasting's real risks and rewards. Before you skip another meal, watch this. What if I told you that eating nothing could be the secret to losing weight, slashing inflammation, and even fighting Alzheimer's? But, and this is a big but, there's a hidden danger lurking in this trend that no one's talking about. A shocking 2024 study just revealed that one popular fasting method doubles your risk of dying from heart disease. So, is intermittent fasting a miracle or a ticking time bomb? You'll want to hear this. Today, we're exposing the truth about fasting. The jaw-dropping benefits, the terrifying risks, and exactly how to do it safely. Oh, and spoiler, if you're making this mistake, you could be destroying your metabolism. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Health Explorer, your go-to spot for cutting-edge wellness tips that actually work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Intermittent fasting? Isn't that just starving yourself? Trust me, I get it. But what if I told you this isn't about deprivation? It's about strategy? Today, we're cracking open the science, the scandals, and the secrets of fasting. From the shocking 91% heart risk spike to the undeniable weight loss wins. Whether you're a fasting newbie or a seasoned pro, stick around. Because what you don't know about this trend could hurt you or transform you. Oh, and spoiler alert, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fast without crashing your energy, losing muscle, or accidentally turning into a hangry monster. Let's get into it. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, it's about when you eat. Imagine your body has two modes, feast and fast. For most of human history, we cycled between these modes naturally, hunting, gathering, surviving. But today, we're stuck in feast mode. Intermittent fasting flips the script. You alternate between periods of eating normally and fasting windows where you consume little to nothing. Think of it as hitting your body's reset button. 1. Time-restricted eating. The 16/8 method. Eat within an 8-hour window, fast for 16. Easy for beginners. 5-2 fasting. Eat normally. 5 days, slash calories to 500 to 600 on 2 days. 3. Alternate day fasting. 500 calories every other day. Not for the faint of heart. It's not about starvation. It's about rhythm. Your body isn't just burning fat. It's triggering a survival mechanism called metabolic switching. And that's where the magic happens. But how? Let's break it down. Here's where things get wild. Your body runs on sugar, glucose, from the food you eat. But when you fast, that sugar tank hits empty. Suddenly, your survival instincts kick in, and your body starts burning stored fat for fuel. Scientists call this metabolic switching. And it's like flipping your metabolism from a gas-guzzling SUV to a fat-burning Tesla. Think of glucose as this matchstick. Quick energy, but it burns out fast. Fat? That's the candle. Slow, steady, and keeps you going for hours. Fasting forces your body to finally tap into that stubborn belly fat. But wait, there's a bigger secret here. Fasting stresses your cells, good stress, like lifting weights for your body, but on a microscopic level. This stress makes your cells stronger, boosting their ability to fight inflammation, repair DNA, and even resist diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Lab studies show this, but here's the catch. Nobody knows exactly how this works long-term. Is it the fasting itself, the weight loss, or just eating fewer Cheetos? That's why science is still split. But one thing's clear. If you do this wrong, you could crash your energy, lose muscle, or worse. More on that later. Let's talk rewards. Intermittent fasting isn't just about shrinking your waistline. Though yes, studies show it can help you drop 7 to 11 pounds in just 10 weeks. But the real gold? What's happening inside your body? Imagine this. Lower blood sugar levels slashing your diabetes risk. Cholesterol and triglycerides nosediving, protecting your heart. Even your brain gets a boost. Research links fasting to reduced inflammation, which could help fight everything from asthma to Alzheimer's. Fewer meals means saving dollars on groceries. It's simple. No calorie math. No banned foods. Just timing. Vegan, keto, night owl, fasting bends to your life. But, and you knew there was a but, if you're pounding cheeseburgers during your eating window, those benefits vanish faster than a donut at a gym. Stay tuned for the dark side of fasting, including a risk that'll make your jaw drop. Before you grab your stopwatch and start fasting, there's a critical side to this story. Intermittent fasting isn't all glowing testimonials and six-pack abs. For some, it's a one-way ticket to feeling like a zombie, or worse. Dizziness, nausea, mood swings, muscle loss, insomnia. Fasting can backfire. Studies show people lose muscle mass, binge on feast days, and even face life-threatening risks. Take this bombshell 2024 study, where time-restricted fasting doubled the risk of dying from heart disease. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're over 50, rapid weight loss could weaken your bones, trash your immune system, and leave you exhausted. And diabetics? Fasting can send your blood sugar on a roller coaster, straight to the ER. Look, I'm not saying fasting is evil, but if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have an eating disorder, or pop meds with food, stop right. Now this isn't for you. For everyone else, never start without your doctor's green light. Let's say you're still sold on fasting after all that. Smart move, but only if you do it right. Here's your step-by-step survival guide to fasting without wrecking your health. 1. Pick your poison. Start with the easiest method. 16-8. Eat from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Fast overnight. No calorie math, no drama. 2. Fuel like a pro. On eating days, think Mediterranean diet. Lean protein, healthy fats, fiber. Skip the junk, processed carbs sabotage results. 3. Hydrate or dihydrate. Water, black coffee, herbal tea. Your fasting best friend forever. Dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and hangry meltdowns. 4. Move, but gently save CrossFit for feast days. On fasts, stick to walks or yoga. Overdo it, and you'll crash harder than a TikTok trend. 5. Got health issues? Diabetes? Meds? Talk to your doc first. Fasting isn't worth risking your life. On fasting days, make those 500 calories count. Protein and fiber keep you full. Example, almonds, boiled eggs, and a kale salad. Not a cupcake and diet soda. So, is intermittent fasting the holy grail of health, or a hyped-up hazard? Let's get brutally honest. On one side, weight loss, better blood sugar, and a simpler lifestyle. On the other, heart risks, muscle loss, and serious side effects if done wrong. Studies show it's no better than traditional diets for long-term weight loss. But if you thrive on structure, hate calorie math, and have a doctor's approval, it could be a game changer. Just don't expect magic. And never ever ignore your body's SOS signals. Health isn't one size fits all. Maybe fasting fuels you. Maybe it drains you. So experiment, track your results, and ditch guilt. Your journey, your rules. If this video clicked for you, smash that like button, share it with someone who's fasting curious, and subscribe for more no BS health deep dives. Oh, and drop a comment. Are you team fasting or team nope? Let's debate. Until next time, stay fierce, stay curious, and remember, your health is your wealth. Peace out.